Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over alcohol-free long-lasting setting spray. So I'm familiar with MAC Fix Plus, but they have this Stay Over version, which sounds really nice because it's supposed to give 16 hours of hydration. And I got this little sample here in my Ulta gift with purchase from the haul that I did a while ago. But the full size of this retails for $33, which is definitely pricey for a setting spray, but it's MAC. Cute packaging, even on the sample here. But I thought this would be the perfect product for me to try out right now because my makeup is looking dull and dry, and this is exactly when I would reach for a setting spray to try and add in that hydration on top of already applying my makeup. And it's not like I want to put like a moisturizer or anything like that on my face, but a setting spray could hopefully hydrate the makeup in the skin and make it all look fresh again. So I'm going to test this out by just applying it to half of my face, and before I do, let's see how the little sprayer is. Ooh, a very nice mist, but also still applies enough to the skin where it actually gets pretty wet. But even this is a sample size, so it doesn't necessarily mean that's how the full size is going to be. Also, I don't notice a smell to it, but we'll see once I apply it to my face. Ooh. I really do love this sprayer, the mister on this sample, which is great because once I use this up, I can just refill it and have it be a travel setting spray. Because I am pretty picky with the sprayer of my setting sprays because I really want it to basically drench my face. And this did. And right now, I mean, it's still wet. I'm going to fan it. But I like that it didn't leave little droplets on the skin, and my skin is looking completely moist. And oh my gosh, this did exactly what I was hoping for. It really did add a layer of hydration, sheen to the skin. It's a little bit hard to tell on camera probably, but my chin is dry, but this side, no dryness anymore. There's like a slight hue of dewiness, which is exactly what I want from my setting spray. I don't want it to be too greasy or shimmery, but I want it to be slightly dewy. And this did that, just enough to hydrate the skin and makeup. And it makes the makeup just kind of look more skin-like, a little bit more settled in. I also feel like it makes the skin just look smoother. So I'm really happy with that. Now that I can actually see a nice difference, and pretty much like the visible difference is that amount of shine, which is a little hard because I do have highlighter on both cheeks, so a little hard to tell, but the rest of my face I don't have highlighter on, and I'm still getting that really nice sheen to the skin. So now that I've compared and I like how it looks, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side. And it's also great that I have my mascara on. It's not waterproof mascara, but it didn't make my mascara smudge at all. It didn't alter any of my makeup. Like I didn't lose coverage or anything, but ooh, yay. Now that I have it all over my entire face, I feel like I can just see even more that this gave exactly the effect that I was hoping to get with this setting spray. A little bit of dewiness, very skin-like look to my makeup. I love it. Maybe it's something that will go on sale because this is actually a product that I want in the full size because I am very picky with my setting sprays, I've realized, and if it doesn't change the makeup or the skin or make any difference, I'm not going to want it. But this actually really did work so nicely with my skin and makeup to really give me exactly the finish that I'm looking for on my skin. So if you've tried it out, let me know how it works for you. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.